welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something a little bit different. I'm answering a viewer's question. I think it would be a fun thing to do in the future as well. So basically what it is, I'm going to pick under the comment section of whichever recent video I have a question that I will answer in a little bit more length during that week. So today's question came from somebody who posted under a video many months ago. I don't know whether they were concerned or whether, you know, it was a polite comment. I did not take it as an attack, but I wanted to address it because it's a very interesting question. So basically, on one of my videos over the On-The-Go tote, they wrote that my bag is possibly a fake. They said it in a very polite way. It was constructive criticism. They said that my bag looks completely different from the one on the website. And I was like, what? Went and checked it out, and indeed it was. So for a little second there, I was like, oh, do I have a fake? There was only one way to find out. And I contacted my SA, I sent pictures because, guys, when I feel that bag, I would like to think I have experience enough to know and to feel tactile wise what a fake is and what a non-fake is. Although I know there are super fakes out there, I know. But, you know, with all my experience with Vuitton in the past, this did not scream fake by no means. So the issue that raised suspicion was that if you look at the website version of that bag, you're going to see that the whole pattern fits that frame. If you look at mine, you're gonna see that the pattern goes further. You know, you see the corners of that flower going further. You see it also on the other side, and it also does it over here. Yeah, I think you're able to see that. And the same thing goes for up here. Basically, the pattern goes further. And on the website version, does not do that. So I was looking and I had a little teeny tiny heart attack. I was like, what? Don't even. So I spammed my SA, sent the photos. I was like, hey, on the website it shows one print, on my bag it's different. That lady came to the rescue. She calmed me down. She said as long as everything is symmetrical. So basically, you should not have a case where half of the flower starts here and here you see just the ends of it. So she said as long as it's all symmetrical and the equal parts like stick out here, it's all fine. Because they do take it from a piece of pattern, so like a piece of leather, and they put it together like that, and this is just what happens. I don't know whether the online version was maybe photoshopped for the purpose of like just looking a little bit more aesthetically pleasing on the website. I don't know that. For those of you who are very OCD, you might maybe want to go for a hunt for something that does not have those edges here. I don't even know if it exists. I've seen different things on the internet. Some have that, some don't. So I'm not 100% sure, but I just wanted to come here and tell you that if your bag does not look like the print does not look 100% like it does on the website, it's not like the reason to panic, okay? Check whether everything is symmetrical, and then you know that most likely you'll have a real deal. If you have other things that are a little bit off or that you feel are not like they should be, then you should definitely go and check it out. But yeah, you see, everything here is symmetrical. There's no like wonkiness or anything. So that is what you should look for. You see that everything is symmetrical, and that's what you should be looking for. So this is a video to say, no, my On-The-Go tote is not fake, but if you have a concern with yours, or you're wondering why you're seeing some people have a bag like mine, and you're like, oh, I think that Carol girl, you know, that really weird, loud girl on the internet, she's got a fake bag. No, she doesn't. She does not. So, wanted to come here and tell you that, but I thought it was a really interesting question because it clears up a lot of things. It's probably the same thing you can expect from Speedies and Neverfulls. Just never compare 100% with the picture on the website. because, you know, there could be discrepancies. The most important is that you see that everything has been made symmetrically, stops at the same point. Louis Vuitton doesn't do any like wonky, gonky, weird things. So just for you to know that. I'm gonna put this non-fake beauty back over here and go to sleep peacefully knowing that she's not a fake. And I also want to say I would never knowingly contribute to fakes because that's not my jam. If I cannot afford that, or at some point in my life, if I had to sell all of my bags and I didn't have any money left for any bags, I'd walk around with a plastic bag, okay? I don't need to pretend that I can afford something, and I don't need to support that very dubious business. Just wanted to put that out there. If you have questions that would benefit the whole family over here, then definitely make sure you write them in my comment section below. I do get a lot of comments also over on my Instagram. It is my goal to reply everyone, but sometimes there are some really good questions that I feel everyone should know what my answer to that would be, or just like in order to educate you guys a little bit. So make sure you write any kind of questions that you have on your mind in your comment section below. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.